Greetings. I'm Charles Kaprowitz, National Director for Citizen Initiatives. In this video, you will learn how our Constitution can be safely, predictably, and successfully re-empowered through single-issue amendments under the authority citizens have in Article 5 and state legislatures. For too long, single-issue amendment conventions have been maligned by flawed constitutional arguments that have paralyzed conservatives and prevented them from reclaiming our Constitution and the original intent of the Founding Fathers. The Property Rights Amendment will protect citizens' rights to own and use personal property without unreasonable restrictions by the government. The Founders left us two ways to amend the Constitution under Article 5. The first method is when 2/3 of the members of both houses of Congress approve a proposed amendment and send it to the state legislatures for ratification. The second method occurs when 2/3 of state legislatures, 34 in total, make a call on Congress directing Congress to convene a convention for the purpose of proposing amendments. The Founders gave us this second method so citizens can amend the Constitution through state legislatures when Congress, the courts, or the executive branch refuse to address an egregious wrong suffered by the people. When the majority of state delegations at a convened convention approve a proposed amendment, it is sent to state legislatures through Congress for ratification. When 3/4 of the state legislatures ratify the amendment, it becomes part of our Constitution. The proceedings at the convention require only 26 state delegations from states that have previously passed delegate resolutions to control the deliberations and outcome of a convention. It is the right of citizens to enjoy the possession and free use of personal property. Property ownership is foundational to a free people and must not be violated by the state. Check your pause button and study the Property Rights Amendment. We can protect property rights for citizens. The first step to amend the Constitution with the proposed amendment is to secure the calls from 34 states directing Congress to convene a single-issue amendment convention. The second step is to secure delegate resolutions from 26 state legislatures. The instructions in delegate resolutions are for the delegates sent to the convention to follow and include the proposed text for the amendment. When 26 state legislatures pass delegate resolutions, they make the convention safe, predictable, and successful. What needs to be done? Contact your state legislators. Ask them to pass our resolution that calls on Congress to convene a single-issue convention for the proposed amendment. A sample copy of a call resolution can be found at http://citizeninitiatives.org. A sample of your state's delegate resolution can be downloaded at http://citizeninitiatives.org/delegate_resolution.htm. Make copies and give them to your state legislators. Citizen Initiatives also needs legislative directors, state directors, regional directors, and coordinators. You are encouraged to make a generous donation. Go to http://citizeninitiatives.org/donations.htm. Use your pause button to study this list of proposed single-issue amendments that Citizen Initiatives is either advancing or studying. Single-issue amendment conventions can empower citizens to become a force for good that will reclaim America's constitutional heritage, one grievance at a time, through state legislatures, while bypassing Congress, the courts, and the executive branch. The hour is late. If we lose our Constitution, we will have nothing to fight back with. Only single-issue amendment conventions can re-empower our Constitution and reclaim our founders' original intent. Citizens alone, through state legislatures, under Article 5, can save our constitutional republic. Remember to forward the URL for this video to others in your contact list. How to contact us. Call 828-765-1978. Send your emails to director@citizeninitiatives.org. Mail your comments to Citizen Initiatives, Post Office Box 523, Spruce Pine, North Carolina 28777. Order a copy of my recent book, Reclaiming America Through Single-Issue Federal Conventions, at Amazon.com. It's time to get serious about leaving for posterity a constitutional republic that actually protects our children's liberties and unalienable rights. We have no more time to delay. We must act now, while we can.